Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present to you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World or Fugue Across the World, chapter 71. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yang Chu and Xiao Ying, two of them still on Yang Chu's house. Right now, it was Yang Chu. Let me take a good look at how much you improved. Yang Chu said to Xiao Ying, now. Well, definitely. Xiao Ying, she was really eager to learn these things. Miss Yan, don't cry when you lose. Xiao Ying said to her, oh, this girl. When she come forward, well, definitely, you know what happened. Got snuffed. Turns out, something happening. But, of course, it was Yang Chu trying to protect herself. Xiao Ying, she's doing great right now. There's a lot of improvements on her movements. Good guy, now it's all about provoking me. Yang Chu said to herself, of course, right now. Xiao Ying, she's trying to distract Yang Chu. She can able to defeat her. She was getting better on offensive. Right now, Yang Chu, all she can do is to defend herself. Hey, right now, Xiao Ying suddenly want to restrain her. Look at her. It seems that she's going to carry her around. Well, definitely. Right now, Yang Chu, she's been entangled. Oh, she's been cornered. Yang Chu. Turns out Xiao Ying can do great better. Right now, it happens. She carry Yang Chu in the mid-air. It turns out Yang Chu goes fall down. And it happens. Right now, Xiao Ying. Look at her. Seems to be surprised. Turns out she really did great things. Yang Chu, your head. But looking at Yang Chu, it seems that it's okay, it's not enough to cry. Well, definitely. Maybe Yang Chu, she will get hospitalized. Xiao Ying, your braids are loose. Xiao Ying said, ah, yes. Your progress are quickly. See how you deal with it, can you? She got pretty serious about this because she wanted to learn how to defend herself so she can protect Yang Chu also. She was really eager to learn a lot of things. Yang Chu, at this moment, Mr. Yan, please don't disturb the students during class. I can tie my own braids. Yang Chu said to her. After resting for a while, the two of them continue to practice. Xiao Ying, she is really getting better from time to time. Now, she can stop Yang Chu. Look at her. Seems that now she has an own way to defeat Yang Chu. Of course, Yang Chu, she's taking it easy, not to hurt her, but really gently. Suddenly, oops, my foot is tumbling. Xiao Ying said to herself, well, definitely, she lose balance. Now, she out of balance and really fall down. Well, what will Yang Chu's gonna do? Suddenly, on a splash moment, Yang Chu grab her hands so she can able to fall down. Okay, Yang Chu, it was really okay. It's good that there's nothing wrong with her. Well, definitely, Yang Chu is really worried. Right now, I can't do it anymore. Mr. Yan, let me go. Relax for a while. Now, Xiao Ying. She came inside in the house. She wanted to relax and have a drink. But right now, Yang Chu. Turns out, Baima already came in. Master, what's the matter, Baima? Yang Chu is questioning her. On the other hand, Baima said someone sent this. She was holding an envelope. I asked the person who he was, but the man didn't speak at all. Right now, wearing a hat again, I didn't see clearly and he left. Yang Chu said, oh, definitely, she was surprised. Which person come by and dropped this? Now, he already left. He was following Yang Rufing's order. Well, let's see on what will happen. Yang Chu see that. Yang Chu, she rashly opened the envelope. Oh, it turns out. But right now, this is the singer Yang Rufing brought for Shanglin will be on the stage soon. Well, after seeing this, of course, Yang Chu, she really get angry. Because this time, the singer Yang Rufing brought for Xianglin will be on stage soon. What about Xiaoying? What will happen to her? Right now, Yang just said she never heard of the singer at all. Xiaoying just came back. Who sent this letter? She kept herself questioning about Yang Rufing's plan. She brought new people on Channeling. And it was a singer also. Turns out, Xiaoying and Yang Chu see her. What are you eating? It is a 1,000-layer cake just made by Baima. Hey, you can also eat it while it's hot. I'm going to see Yang Rufing later. I don't know what time is it. Well, I see you at the entrance at the door of Channeling later at night. Okay then, I'll go to Bisingtan later. It's in time to bring some 1,000-layer cakes to Yunji. You're so cute. You're a little cute squirrel. Of the fourth area, Bisingtan. Well, it was Keyunji. Since the relationship was getting better last night, Keyunji seems to be alive. Right now, look at her. It seems that she was really energetic. Boss, are you looking for me? Keyunji said. Why do you only show one head? Well, it's so weird. Just came in. Boss said to her. Well, it turns out she was carrying a lot of plates. Well, right now, Keyunji, she pushed the doors so she can enter. Suddenly, the boss seems to be surprised, seeing her holding a lot of plates. What happened? Are there many guests today? The boss is confused right now. She was asking her, you are a waiter, not just a juggler. You can only hold one plate at a time. Did you know? Yunji said, okay, I got it. You too, came here. The boss is calling the other employee. Yes, ma'am. The other employee greeted her. Well, seeing them like that. Now, got all this in her hands. Yes, Sister Sin. The man said the scene. Yunji right now. She is patting her own shoulder. Well, can she really tell her what happened? Maybe there's something wrong. I am right. Keyunji. She's not able to speak. She was really good. Said to her, blind, I don't think it's teasing. This is not teasing. What is that? Mr. Sin said to her. At most, it's a crowding out. Sister Sin said to herself. Yunji is really a bubbly people. Now, Sister Sin said, okay, just wait. Right now, what is she going to do? She's getting angry. No one can exclude you and tease you. She looks really angry seeing this happen. Of course, Keyunji, she was in shock. From childhood to adult, no one has ever said this to me. Now, it's really exciting. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!